Hey friends, welcome to our channel whose name is Unbox for Tech. So friends, we are here for tell you some abbreviations, or we can say it in simple words you know about, you heard about the full form. So we tell you full form of the computer language or an equipment or an software of the computer. So please watch the whole video, don't miss it, because it is important in our daily life or in the interview. So without missing your times, let's go for watch the video. So the first full form is very simple. You heard about the computer, so we tell you the full form of the computer. So C is stands for common, O is stands for operating, M is stands for machine, P is stands for processing, U is stands for user, T is stands for technologicals, E is stands for engineering, R is stands for research. So let's go on second page. So 2D stands for 2 dimensions, 3D stands for 3 dimensions. Then ALT stands for alternate. So AI stands for artificial integrations. This is used in 5th generations. You heard about the 5th generations. So if you don't heard about the 5th generation, we tell you in next video. ACA stands for absolute cell address. ALU stands for arithmetic logic units. So let's go for third page. ASCII American stands code for information interchange. ATM stands for automated teller machine. AVI stands for audio video interleave. AM stands for amplitude modulation. BMP stands for bit map. BCD stands for binary code decimal. BCR stands for binary code reader. So let's go fourth page. So BD stands for Blu-ray disc. BIOS stands for basic input output system. CMD stands for command. CAD stands for computer aided design. CRT stands for cathode ray tube. CPU stands for central processing unit. CTRL stands for control. CB stands for computer based education. CD stands for compact disc. COM stands for computer or microfilm. CAE stands for computer aided instructions. CAM stands for computer aided manufacture. CU stands for control unit. CUI stands for common user interface. DOS stands for disk operating system. DOC stands for document. DNS stands for domain name system. DMP stands for dot matrix printer. DVD stands for digital versatile disk, or we can say it in different word, digital video disc. DTPP stands for desktop publishing packages. DPS stands for desktop publishing systems. DRM stands for dynamic random access memory. DPI stands for dots per inch. DITMM stands for dual in time memory modules. ESC stands for escape. EPROM stands for erasable programmable read only memory. EEPROM stands for electrical erasable programmable read only memory. ENIAC electronic numerators, integrator and calculator. EDVAC stands for electronic discrete variable automatic computer. FAT stands for file allocations table. So turn on 7th page. FAQ stands for frequently asked questions. FPD stands for flat panel display. FTP stands for file transfer protocol. FDD stands for floppy disk drive. FAX stands for facsimile. FIFO stands for first in first out. Fortran stands for formula translation. FM stands for frequency modulation. So FSB stands for front side bus. GPU stands for graphic plotter. GUI stands for graphic user interface. GIF stands for graphic interchange format. So let's go on 8th page. So HLL stands for High Level Language, HDMI stands for High Definition Multimedia Interface, HDD stands for Hard Disk Drive, HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, IP stands for Internet Protocol, ISP stands for Internet Service Provider, ISCII. Indian Script is standard code for information interchange. ITFC stands for Information Technology and Fundamental Computer. So let's go on 9th page. IPv4 stands for Internet Protocol version A, IPv6 Internet Protocol version B, ICS Integrated Circuit, IQ Intelligence Quotient, IT Information Technology, ISAM Index Sequentially Access Method, IEEE Institute of Electrical, Electronic and Engineering. JPEG stands for Joint Photographic Expert Group. Then J2ME stands for Java 2 Platform Mobile Edition. J2EE stands for Java 2 Enterprises Edition. JAD stands for Java Application Development. Let's go on 10th page. So JSP stands for Java Server Pages. JS stands for JavaScript. KBPS stands for Kilobyte per Second. Triple L stands for Low Level Language. LCD stands for Liquid Crystal Display. LED stands for Light Emitting Diode. LAN stands for Local Area Network. LISP stands for List Processing. MIPS stands for Million of Instructions per Second. Mbps stands for Megabyte per Second. MCB stands for Miniature Circuit Breaker. MICR stands for Magnetic Ink Card Reader. MPC stands for Microprocessor Chips. Let's go on 11th page. MROM stands for Mask Read Only Memory. MU stands for Memory Unit. Modem stands for Modulation Demodulation. MMF stands for Music Mobile Formula. MIDI stands for Musical Instrument Digital Interface. MPEG stands for Motion of Moving Picture Export Group. MP2 stands for MPEG Audio Layer 2. MP3 stands for MPEG Audio Layer 3. MP4 stands for MPEG Audio Layer 4. NTFS stands for New Technology File System. OMR stands for Optical Mark Reader. OCR stands for Optical Character Reader. Let's go on 12th page. ONS stands for Octal Number System. OOP stands for Object Oriented Programming Language. PDF stands for Portable Document Format. PSD stands for Photoshop Document. PDA stands for Personal Digital Assistant. PC stands for Personal Computer. PROM stands for Programming Read Only Memory. PHP stands for Personal Homepage or Hypertext Preprocessor. Perl stands for Practical Extractions and Report Language. PDF stands for Portable Document Format. PNG stands for Portable Network New Graphic. Let's go on 13th page. RSS stands for Really Simple Syndications. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. ROM stands for Read Only Memory. HD stands for Secure Digital. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. SQL stands for Structured Query Languages. SRAM stands for Static Random Access Memory. SGN stands for Shortest Job in Next. SGI stands for Silicon Graphic Interface. TXT stands for Text. TIFF stands for Tagged Image File Format. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. So let's go on 14th page. ULSI stands for Ultra Large Scale Integration. UVEP ROM stands Ultraviolet Visible Programmable Read Only Memory. UPS stands for Uninterruptible Power Supply. URL stands for Uniform or Universal Resource Locator. VGA stands for Visual Graphic Array. VoIP stands for Voice over Internet Protocols. Video stands for Visual Display Unit. VLSI stands for Very Large Scale Integrated. VM stands for Virtual Memory. VBS stands for Visual Basic Scripting Language. VIRUS stands for Vital Information Resource Under Siege. So let's go on the next page. WWW stands for World Wide Web. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. WAV stands for Waveform Audio. WIG stands for What You See Is What You Get. WLAN stands for Wireless Local Area Network. Wi-Fi stands for Wireless Fidelity. XML stands for Extensible Markup Language. Thank you guys for hearing me. If any full form or abbreviation is forgotten by us, please write in comment box. Thanks guys for watching the whole video. Wish you like this video. So we request you to do like, share and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icons for latest video. Thank you. Jai Hind.
It's caught in the crossfire. fire.